the number of rectangles, take the cube, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. So here we will get 1 plus 8 equal to 9. And here in number of rectangles we have another method also. So to find number of rectangles, another method is, here add these numbers, that is 1 plus 2 in the column and also in the row, 1 plus 2 in the row. Then multiply these two, that is 1 plus 2 is 3 into, here also 1 plus 2 3, and that is equal to 9 also. So